Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad maths problem, that is 20 raised to power x plus 20 raised to power x plus 20 raised to power x divided by 10 raised to power x plus 10 raised to power x plus 10 raised to power x equals 100. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose, first of all, we will take common from this is 20 raised to power x, and remaining will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, and in the denominator we will take common as 10 raised to power x, and remaining is 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this equals 100. Now we get 3 into 20 raised to power x divided by 3 into 10 raised to power x, that equals 100. Now 3 and 3 are cancelled out, and we have this can be write in the same power, 20 by 10, and whole power is x equals 100. Now we will solve this as we get 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So we get 2 raised to power x equals 100. So we write 2 raised to power x equals 100. Now taking the log on both sides, we get x log 2 equals log 100. Now we will solve this as x equals log 100 divided by log 2. Now this will become log 100 can be write as 2 5s are 10, and then 2, then 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. It's mean 2 raised to power 2 multiply 5 raised to power 2, that is log 100, and this is divided by log of 2. Now we will solve this as log 2 square plus log 5 square divided by log of 2. Now in the next step we get 2 is in the start, log of 2 divided by log of 2, and plus 5 in the start, log of 2 divided by log of 2. So here will be 2 in the start, and this is the log of 5. So we will write the value of x, that is 2 plus 2 log of 5 divided by log of 2. Now x equal 2 plus 2 log base is 5, and this will be 2. This is the value of x. Now in the next step we got this answer. Now we will verify our answer. Now for verification we will put in place of x, that is 2 plus 2 log of base is 2 and 5. So we can split this. This will be log 2 multiply 2 log power is 2 log base is 2 and 5. Now log 2 square is 4, and here we can apply the rule according to that. If log 2 raised to power 2 log base is 2 and some b, so answer equals b. It means we will get this equals this 2 in the power form, so this will be 25. So 4 multiply 25, because this 2 in the start of power of this. So 4 into 25 will be 100. So this is the final answer. Now you can see how easily we have solved this question. Now In the last, I will give you a bonus question and you will solve and tell the answer in the comment section. Now here is the question that 20 raised to power x plus 20 raised to power x divided by 10 raised to power x plus 10 raised to power x equals 100. You have to find the value of x. So you will apply the method that is used in this problem, Olympiad math problem, and comment the right answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In this channel, you will find the complete solution of Olympiad math problem, ACT, SAT and other competitive exam. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.